Got a cracked tank. So we're gonna replace that with a brand new toilet. All right, so we got the toilet off. Quick little flange inspection. All right, so we got the new reinforced wax ring on there, ready to go. Go ahead and get this new toilet ready. Let's see. Got a good. All right. All right. Make sure everything's lined up. All right. So we're tying these down. All right. See how pretty tight already. Okay, do some more on this side. Keep it balanced. Okay, let's see how that feels. That's real solid, real solid. All right, we'll give it one more, just for that extra. Okay, more. There we go. Caps on. And as the customer requested, they wanted it cocked around, so kind of keep the water from getting in there. That kind of protects it from any splashes around the way. There we go. All right, let's build up the top piece now. Get it on there. All right, so we got the toilet lid on. We got the base on. And supply line on. Let's get the water on. Here we go. A little bit of dirt we'll have to flush out, but not too much. Get that first flush or two in, we'll be in there. Alright, so we got the water running. No leaks at all. Got a nice little caulk line. Filling up real fast. Looks like it works real good. No leaks on the supply lines. One good flush. Good flush. Real good flush. Alright, it's all done. And cap it off. And we are done here. Oh, perfect.